Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nurin Shazwana binti Rosli, a student of Bachelor of Communication, and my student ID is 0208 1304 0260 I am excited to share with you some amazing places to visit in Bandung. Bandung is a beautiful city in Indonesia, full of nature, culture, and rich shopping spots. In this speech, I will introduce 5 must-visit places in Bandung, which is Farmhouse Lembang, Roti Market, Pasar Baru, Kecamatan Gantung, and Kawah Putih. These places are fun, unique, and perfect for travelers. Whether you love shopping, nature, or adventure, Bandung has something for everyone. Now, let's begin with our first destination. Number 1 is Farmhouse Lembang, a European experience in Bandung. First, let's talk about Farmhouse Lembang. If you have ever wanted to visit Europe but you don't have the budget, don't worry. Farmhouse Lembang will give you that experience. This place has beautiful green fields, Dutch-style buildings and wooden houses. One of the most popular activities here is dressing up in traditional Dutch costume and taking photos. It really feels like you are in Netherlands. Farmhouse Lembang is also famous for its fresh dairy products, especially the fresh milk from the farm. There is also mini zoo where you can see the birds, the rabbit, and the sheep. It is a great place for families and people who love animals. Location at Farmhouse Lembang. Opening hours from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Okay, number 2 is Floating Market Lembang, a market on the water. Next, we have Floating Market. This is a unique market where all the vendors sell food and souvenirs from boats. Instead of using money, visitors might buy tokens to purchase food and drink. This makes the experience more fun. You can find many traditional Indonesian dishes here, like bakso, satay, and fresh fruit. While enjoying your food, you can sit by the lake and enjoy the cool air and beautiful view. Floating Market is not just about shopping. It also has fun activities for families, such as paddleboard, fish feeding, and cultural performance. If you want a peaceful place to eat and relax, this is the perfect spot for you. Location at Floating Market Lembang, Bandung. Open hours from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Number 3 is Pasar Baru, the best shopping in Bandung. For those who love shopping, you must visit Pasar Baru. It is one of the most famous shopping places in Bandung. Here, you can buy batik clothes, Muslim fashion, textile, and souvenirs at affordable price. Many Malaysian tourists come here to buy telekong, tudung, and baju kurung because the price are cheaper than in Malaysia. If you are good at bargaining, you can get even better deal. Shopping at Pasar Baru is an It's an exciting experience because the market is so big and full of energy. Whether you are looking for traditional fabric or modern fashion, you will find it all here. Location at Pasar Baru, Bandung. Opening hours from 9 AM until 5 PM. Number 4 is Jambatan Gantung, a thrilling suspension bridge. Now let's move on to more adventurous, Jambatan Gantung Rengganis. This is a long suspension bridge in Bandung that stretches 370 meters over a deep valley. Walking in this bridge is exciting because you can see amazing views of the green hills and forest below. The bridge is safe, but it still gives you an adrenaline rush as you walk across. This place is perfect for people who love adventure, photography, and nature. At the end of the bridge, you will find natural hot springs where you can relax and enjoy the warm water. If you are looking for a place that combines thrill and relaxation, this is the perfect destination. Location at Jambatan Gantung Rengganis, Bandung. Opening hours from 9 AM until 5 PM. Number 5 is Kawah Putih, a beautiful volcanic crater. Finally, we have Kawah Putih, a famous volcanic crater lake. What makes this lake special is its beautiful blue-green water, which can change color depending on the weather. The lake is surrounded by white volcanic sand, making it look like a magical place from another world. The air is so cold and refreshing, and you can take many amazing photos on the wooden walkways around the lake. But be careful, Kawah Putih has a strong sulfur smell, so it is best to bring a mask if you are sensitive to it. The journey to Kawah Putih is also so beautiful, as you will pass through tea plantation and green landscape. This is a must-visit place for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts. Location at Kawah Putih, Bandung. Opening hours from 7 AM until 5 PM. In conclusion, Bandung is a city full of exciting places to explore. Whether you love European style attraction, cultural market, thrilling beach, or natural wonders, Bandung has it all. Today, I have shared with you 5 must-visit places, which is Farmhouse Lembang, Floating Market, Pasar Baru, Jambatan Gantung, and Kawah Putih. If you ever visit Bandung, don't miss this place. Each one offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Okay. Thank you for listening to my speech. I hope you enjoy it, and I wish all a great day. Thank you.